Yo, yo, yo mga kakulitan! Nandito na naman po ang inyong nag-iisang manikang makulit. Ako po si Barbie Sheng and today is another day for Kulitan Time! Unang-una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa nanood ng aking comeback video. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you very much! Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan! For today's video, pag-uusapan po natin kung bakit special ang First Park Homes Batulao and bakit ko talaga siya pinili on my comeback video. First, mga kakulitan, ang First Park Homes Batulao lang as of the moment ang mayroong Brenna Bungalow House. Wow! So, para makita nyo po ang Brenna Bungalow, let's have another house tour! Huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's roll! VTR. R. Let's go! So as you can see, ang ating pong bahay na itutour ngayon ay isang bungalow. Tara na, excited na ako kung ano makikita natin inside. So, pasokin na natin. Voila! So, it is a bungalow house. Our First Park Homes dito sa First Park Batulao. And as you can see, meron po tayong living area. During the turnover, hindi po ganito pa yung itsura. So, technically, this has a suggested interior design right here. So, you can put your sofa here, then you have your TV set, and so on and so forth. And you can build 2 rooms dito sa Brenna House. Pasok po tayo dito sa ating first room. So there we have it. You can have a small bed right here. Then you can have your study area. During the turnover, it has a provision for aircon. So ito po yung aircon nakalagay na. And to make things more minimalist and practical, you can have your clothes right here under your bed. Alright, so punta po tayo sa ating kitchen and dining area. So from here, from your first bedroom, pwede tayo makalagay dito ng ating dining area. So it can fit for 4 people. And then right here, you can actually build a bar. Instead of the huge dividers, napakaganda, where you can just have a quick cup of coffee or while you're doing something on your laptop. So you can put your rack right here, your kitchen here. Yeah, you can have your built-in cabinets. Ayan. And dito po ang ating living area. Ta-da! Alright, so from your laundry area, pwede ka na sumilip dito sa iyong comfort room. So this is your toilet and bath. And this is the suggested layout and interior design. So ito siya. You can have your shower here. Yan. And of course, your sink and everything. You can have your mirror. Alright, so from your toilet and bath, let's go to the second bedroom. There we go. Sundan niyo po ako. Yan. So this could be your master's bedroom kasi mas malaki siya sa una nating tinignan yung Then have your double-sized or queen-sized bed right here. Then have your cabinet here. And then during the turnover, may provision na rin for aircon yung second room. So all you have to do is to put your aircon like this. Yan. So Saan or kanino pwede ang Brenna House? Actually, it can be for anyone, but it is really best for retirees. Para retirees, especially our mom and dad, and or our grannies, grandpa and grandma, hindi na sila kailangan umakyat ng hagdan para pumunta sa kanilang bedroom, pumunta sa comfort room. But of course, during the turnover, this has a provision for expansion. You can have your grannies right here, the room of your grannies, or momshies and popshies dito sa baba. Pwede siyang i-extend pataas, so you can have your own home, lalo na sa mga malalaki yung family. Alright, so again, this is Brenna House, First Park Homes, Batulao. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nga po mga kakulitan, that was Brenna Bungalow House in First Park Homes, Batulao. And it's such a lovely house, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga momshies and popshies na malapit na mag-retire from their work. Alright, so aside from the Brenna House, ano pa nga ba ang dahilan kung bakit special itong First Park Homes, Batulao? Second, mga kakulitan, ang First Park Homes Batulao ay may address na Tagaytay, Nasugbu Highway, Barangay Kailaway, Nasugbu, Batangas. Ibig sabihin, malapit ang First Park Homes Batulao sa Tagaytay or located pa rin siya sa upper places ng Cavite and Batangas area. And ibig sabihin nito, nahahagip niya pa rin ang cold breezy weather which will make you have a challenge sa pagliligo. Yan, magiging challenge na po sa inyo ang pagliligo dahil sa talagang cold and breezy weather, lalong-lalo na kapag taglamig months dito sa area. It's from a girl who lives nearby. And third, mga kakulitan, why First Park Batulao is a really special project is because malapit po siya sa mga tourist destinations. Siyempre, unahin nating banggitin ang Tagaytay City.
Tagaytay, come climb up to heaven and find a true haven of love.
Marami po tayong magagawa in Tagaytay po. So imagine if you have a home in First Park Homes Batulao, very few minutes away ka lang from horseback riding. And of course, you can enjoy roaming around People's Park in the Sky, which is a very high place. Aakyatin mo siya bago ka makapag-ikot sa area. Or you can enjoy picnic at Picnic Grove. Pwede ka rin mag-zipline doon. And you also have a really small part where you can enjoy touching and carrying wild animals sa Picnic Grove. So, diba? Maraming. And of course, we don't forget Sky Ranch where you can enjoy the rides while also enjoying the Taal view. Hindi po ito sponsored, but these places are some of those best spots when you are in Tagaytay. And again, imagine malapit ka lang dito. Take it from me, I'm from here, Tagaytay, yo. And syempre, bukod dito sa mga exciting activities, pwede mo ring i-treat yung family mo on a special occasion or on a special weekend. Pwede mo silang dalhin sa mga masasarap maghain ng pagkain ng mga restaurants. Grabe! Lalong-lalo na ang famous na pagkain dito sa Tagaytay. Alam niyo ba yan? Dun, 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 dun. Ito ay ang bulalo! Wow! Bumukas ang langit. Lalo na if it's the best tasting bulalo ever. Diba? And of course, while eating bulalo, hindi mawawala pa rin ang Taal Volcano and Taal Lake View. And syempre, hindi mapapahuli sa Tagaytay ang mga dating spots for the momshies and popshies couples out there, you can go to coffee shops. Para sa akin, ang na-enjoy ko talagang date spot in Tagaytay, Alfonso, Nasugbu area is Twin Lakes, where you can have a cup of coffee, enjoy the view, and syempre, enjoy mo rin nakasama ang inyong partner, spending time together.
Sinabi ko
diba?
na ba,
Nag-enjoy din sa tao.
ikaw lang ang magbibigay ligaya at sagot.
Siyempre, punta naman tayo sa isa pang spot dito. Meron ding tinatawag na Puzzle Mansion where you can see the biggest puzzle in the world. So, those are just some that you can enjoy in Tagaytay. Meron pa, punta naman tayo sa Batangas area. So, nasa gitna talaga ang First Park Homes Batulao, imagine. So, sa Batangas, you can go to Fantasy World. You can go to the 3 churches. Actually, hindi lang go. Hindi mo siya sasadyain kasi kapitbahay mo lang siya. It could be your places of worship. Yung Calarwega, Chapel on the Hill, and San Antonio de Padua Parish. And these churches talaga are really sought after, lalong-lalo na sa wedding industry. Believe me, brides and grooms or couples would book their wedding date a year or 2 ahead para makuha nila yung gusto nilang date or weekend and yung oras kasi lagi siyang fully booked. Bukod sa churches, meron din tayong Mount Batulao where you can hike with your friends if you are really so adventurous, mahilig sa sporty activities. Yan. First Park Batulao is really a good spot for you. And huwag natin kalimutan na sa Batangas side ng First Park Homes Batulao or a little bit farther lang konti, ay nandoon ang mga white sand beaches. And the nearest beach is in Nasugbu. It's around 30 to 36 minutes drive. Also, yun, yung mga favorite pictorial spot, lalo ng mga wedding couples, is the Fortune Island. We also have Stilts, and we also have Lian, Batangas, where I had gone to a black sand beach naman, diba? You are in the middle of these beautiful places. Diba? You have the Taal Lake, yung Bundok Batulao, the Bulkan, the Taal. Meron ka pang dagat, diba? Saan ka pa? And that's it, Pansit, mga kakulitan. These are the reasons why First Park Homes Batulao is really special. It's because of its weather, it's because of the Brenna House, and because of the tourist spots around. So talagang ito yung napili ko as a territory specialist to be featured in my YouTube comeback. And syempre, para po sa inyong mga pinakamamahal kong mga kakulitan sa aking mga YouTube videos, if any of you is interested about First Park Homes Batulao, please do not hesitate to send me a message via my Facebook page, my WhatsApp or Viber, or via SMS. It's gonna be shown at the end of this video. And before I end this video, gusto ko lang pong i-shout out yung aking CC Bells. Hi, Jack, or aka Pinay Super Mom. Thank you so much for supporting me on my YouTube journey. Also, I would like to shout out DJ Mer. Thank you so much for also supporting me on my YouTube journey. And syempre, thank you so much, Langga, sa tahimik. Lalong-lalo na kapag nagsushoot ako ng video ko. And most probably, you'll also see him in my future videos. Thank you so much. And hope to see you guys, mga kakulitan ko dyan. Hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Babu, 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 babu.